Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Lilliput, Montego Bay, and we're looking at the construction site for the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. So we are next door to the Iberia Star Hotel, just to give you an idea of where we are. Now this is the construction site for the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. It's actually going to be three different structures, or three different hotels basically, on this property. You're going to have the Hard Rock Hotel, you're going to have the Hard Rock Casino, and then you're going to have the Unico Hotel. Now the Unico Hotel is going to be 451 rooms, and that's an adult only hotel. Then you're going to have the Hard Rock Hotel, which is going to be 1,100 rooms, and then you're going to have the Hard Rock Casino, all on this property. So you can see it's being built right against the sea, so you're going to have a very nice beach. And it seems as if they just started. I mean, construction is on the way, but you can't really make out any of the building structures yet. But this is just one of this project is just one of many projects on the way to build hotels in Jamaica. So that's the Northern Coastal Highway that you're looking at on the left. And as we go up some more, you'll see it. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project. Now, I'm not sure why, but the security guard told us that they don't allow drones to fly over the property. I asked him why, and he said that's just what they told him. So I'm not sure how often we're going to be able to give you updates on this one, but we'll try and give you updates on a regular basis. He said something like he basically said at this stage of the development they don't want drones flying over it. So I'm not sure what that is all about, but we'll go back and we'll I guess talk to a different security guard and see what's going on, because some of these persons on the site, they allow you onto the site to make the videos. They don't have a problem. So we'll check it out again in 2 weeks and talk to somebody and see what's going on with that. Yeah, so there are over 8,000 hotel rooms under construction in Jamaica right now. The majority of them are on the north coast. So we'll keep you guys updated on all these projects. But just to give you an idea, you have 2,000 rooms being built in Hanover. That's the Princess Hotel. You have Sandals Duns River in Miami Bay, or basically Ocherest. That's 260 rooms. Then you have 700 rooms being built in Falmouth. That's the Rio. Then you have Sandals, between Negril, Ocherest, and Mobay, Sandals is adding another 950 rooms. Now, Secrets is building 700 rooms in St. Anne, and Wyndham is actually building a hotel of 300 new rooms. The ROK Hotel just opened in downtown Kingston. That's 168 rooms. They're adding 30 new rooms to the Terra Nova Hotel and 150 rooms at the Palm Beach in Runaway Bay. We actually did a video of the construction of that one recently, so you can check it out. And then there are a few other hotels that are under construction, but these are the main ones. And I heard that Wyndham is actually building another hotel somewhere. Somewhere on the north coast. I think it's Negril. So a lot is going on the hotel industry in Jamaica. So with all of this construction going on, that's another reason why the government is moving to expand the Northern Coastal Highway, because to get to all these hotels on the north coast, you would have to use the Northern Coastal Highway, and that takes you from Montego Bay all the way to Ocherest. It actually goes from Negril to Portland, But when the tourists fly into Montego Bay, they would go from Montego Bay to Trelawney, Ocho Rios, Negril. Basically, they would use a Northern Coastal Highway. And with 8,000 more rooms being built, and as you build these hotels, they are used. If you call some hotels now, they're booked out. So you're going to have 8,000 more people using the road. So the Northern Coastal Highway was actually built to accommodate 15,000 cars per day. But it has far exceeded that now. So they're expanding the busiest part of the highway, which is from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. And they're expanding it so that it can accommodate 40,000 cars per day. So a lot of progress is going on, and we'll keep you guys updated. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of this construction site. A lot of persons asked us for an update on this project, and we'll keep giving you updates when possible with this one. Well, actually, we're going to go back in 2 weeks and see what's going on. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.